Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be releasing my very first Miranda Sketches Volume 1, and this is an inspirational video. That is the sketch that is in the sketchbook, and I am using Close to My Heart product, so I threw this in there if you guys are interested in any of that. So what I am going to be doing is I am releasing for the first time all of my sketches along with inspiration. Now, I did release my introduction video as well as this video. So I did my introduction so that you kind of get a little bit more information about it. The link is down below in that one along with this and the playlist to all of the ladies that I asked to join and doing a layout for the sketchbook. They are going to show their process video about why they picked the sketch that they chose and show you how to use that sketch for inspiration. This sketchbook is made for you to print out, to use for if you've lost your mojo or if you have gone to a crop and you're like, man, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to start with. I'm always so nervous of just doing sketches or doing layouts because of being, at a crop, everybody's watching you, right? So those are what those are for. And I have given you the picture of the sketch, and the ladies picked their sketch. And so it'll be their sketch or the sketch, and then it'll be their inspiration layout to that sketch. Now, I followed this one very closely. I actually made this sketch a long time ago, and all of a sudden, a lot of the cut files that have been coming out look a lot like my sketch. I was like, that'll be perfect for you guys too. If you wanted to be like, wow, I don't know how to do this, or I don't know how to use those grid layouts. Here's a good grid layout. My sketch has the 4 photos going diagonally down, like if you were doing tic-tac-toe, but in a bigger version. I decided to make it a square within a square. And I'm just placing all of the little bits and bobs in each section. You will see where I put the photos in and made that like a grid, right? And then I broke out and made another grid. So it's kind of like a grid within a grid. And it works wonderful because this collection is a beach collection. This was while we were at Tybee Island. A good friend of mine and their children, or her 2 children, and then my daughter and I went to Tybee Island over Memorial Day weekend last year, and there was this shark where you could stand and act like you're getting eaten by the shark. So that is what I am doing, or that's what the photos are. My daughter's in 2, and then one of her sons is in the other, and they're just acting crazy inside this mouth of this shark. So I'm just placing down the little bits and bobs that are from Close to My Heart. This collection is available, and make sure that you go and like and subscribe to everybody. Go check out my shop. I would love, love, love to have you go look at it and purchase it. I feel that out of the 20 sketches or the 10 sketches along with the inspirational layouts, you're getting a really good bang for your buck, if you know what I mean. So I am now using the liquid pearls. I'm taking the colors that the liquid pearls match and doing up little dots and stuff all the way through. I wanted to add that little bit of something else to this layout without it being too busy, because I wanted you guys to be able to say, look, you can do something simple just like I did to maximize that layout. Otherwise, you can take it and go even just that much more with it. I just went simple for you guys just to give you an idea of how you can do this, or even use, because that looks like a cut file, you can use these cut files and be like, oh, this is easy. I can see where we can take each little square and make it a embellishment cluster. You don't have to do everything. Like I have one where you will see me just have dots in the square. I decided that I was going to maximize that, where I maximize the stickers in some. Some of it's got like Insta Love, Snap, Instagram Click, because these did go on Instagram. And then others I did stickers, and then I just used the liquid pearls in there to embellish one square. So you can do different motions of it and still come out with a really good layout. I obviously did do my square lines across to bring it all in together. I did cut just a little bit off the page so that I could use my black background as my border. You can do it just about anyway. So make sure you go check out my shop. It is linked down below. The still shots are coming up. Make sure you go check out everybody that's on this playlist. The layouts are just amazing. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.